Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and this is a room tour of the Hilton in Sorrento, Italy. So this is a beautiful hotel. Sorrento is a town that's set way up high on a hill, and this is a really nice room for Europe. This is my sister took this video. She's the one who got to go there, and I'm going soon, so she wanted to video for me. So we walk in and there's this really nice closet here with luggage racks, and a little dresser, lots of space, a little safe, some artwork of the local town right there on the wall, and a really long hallway. So this is quite a spacious room to have this long hallway. More artwork. Lots of artwork on the walls. Here's the bathroom with the bathtub. I believe it has a separate bathtub and shower. Nice vanity, a bidet, and a toilet, and a separate shower with robes. So that's really nice, especially for European rooms. So here we come back out. The bathroom has just everything you could possibly want. Here we come back out into the hallway. And there's a dresser, a flat screen TV. It's not a dresser, it's more like shelving with added shelving. I think this is a refrigerator right here. Yep, a refrigerator with a couple of glasses. And there's some waters in there that I think are maybe complimentary that were in the hotel room fridge. Couple of chairs, a little like coffee table. And that's the $1 million view right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Just, you couldn't ask for a better view than that. A little desk with your coffee, tea things. So tea bags. I think in European rooms they usually will give you little packs of instant coffee with a tea kettle. Really nice. This is a king size bed, but it may actually be two twins put together, which is what they usually call a king in Europe. So out onto the balcony, nice chairs out here. They have these partitions put up to make your balcony a little more private. So there's Vesuvius out there. That's Pompeii, which we're excited because we will be going there on our trip coming up soon. Can't wait for that one. And there's the pool. So this was an upgraded room, really nice room. And of course they have a beautiful pool area there with layers. It steps down. And this room was part of a club level. So this is a private rooftop area that is only accessible through the club level. So you get more views. There's Vesuvius and more of the town of Sorrento. So Sorrento is the town up on top of the hill. I believe down below is Naples, Capri. Another fact that she told me is that the shopping is great in Sorrento, but in Capri, everything is double the price. So if you go there, you want to do your shopping in Sorrento. That is the small rooftop pool you just saw. And here's more of the view right off of the balcony. A little more close up. This is again in the room, the coffee service, and you can see the outlets, more views of the bathroom. Nice big bathtub in this room. The vanity just has everything you could need. There's a closer look at the pool and another view of Vesuvius. Really nice, beautiful view. There's the plugs, the outlets that are available. This is the converter that they brought with them that you can plug in there. That was the rooftop again that goes right into the mountains, and that was food from the club level, which was complimentary with that room. And there's a cruise ship out there. So thanks for watching.